Jasper AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence platform that offers a range of tools and services for businesses looking to leverage the power of AI. In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the features and capabilities of Jasper AI, and giving our honest assessment of how well it performs. So, what exactly does Jasper AI offer? First and foremost, Jasper AI has a suite of tools for natural language processing, including automatic summarization, language translation, and sentiment analysis. These tools can be used to analyze and understand large volumes of text data, such as customer reviews or social media posts, and extract valuable insights from them. Jasper AI also offers a range of tools for image and video processing, including object recognition and facial recognition. These tools can be used to analyze and understand visual media, and can be particularly useful for businesses in industries like retail and advertising. But perhaps the most impressive feature of Jasper AI is its ability to build and train custom machine learning models.
Hey champ, how's that blog post coming?
Great. Really great. Almost too great.
Great. Can't wait to see it.
Can't wait to write it.
You need a little inspiration. Jasper is here to help. It's an app that uses AI to help you create any kind of content you need. It's like having your very own robot sidekick with an infinite supply of ideas. And that's why the perfect pair of socks is like a hug for your feet.
Hot damn, that's good.
With a few simple clicks, users can build their own machine learning models and use them to make predictions or classify data. This is a powerful tool that can be used to solve a wide range of business problems, from predicting customer churn to optimizing supply chain operations. So, what do we think of Jasper AI? Overall, we're very impressed. The platform is easy to use, has a wide range of powerful tools, and is constantly being updated with new features. The ability to build custom machine learning models is particularly impressive, and we believe it sets Jasper AI apart from many of its competitors. If you're a business looking to leverage the power of AI, we highly recommend giving Jasper AI a try. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other reviews for more information on the latest and greatest in the world of technology.